Today we are going to introduce the Nilight 2PCS 4-inch 60W LED light pots. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Include 2 pieces 4-inch LED spark flood combo lights with black aluminum housing and 20 PCS 3W quality LED chips. Contains durable sliding mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. "5 minutes quick installation." Simply fix the black bracket to the light with the screws on both sides and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bringing you wider and farther view area.